I'll be showing you one of my favorite ways to solve a triangle, and that's using the circumference of the circle that the triangle belongs to. Math has never been more fun. So the formula is derived from the 1-inch diameter circle's circumference, which is the true value of pi. We're going to use pi squared because 9.72 is a lot easier to remember than 10 digits, which is the square root of 9.72. And we need to solve these triangles so we can work backwards and show you that the formula works. But all the opposite sides of these triangles, which come from this circle, are just the heights inside the circle. So the height at 60 degrees will be the opposite side for this triangle. The height at 45 degrees will be the opposite side for this triangle, and so on. And if you look under sine, type in a degree, sine 60, you got your height. That's where the sines come from, is from the 1-inch diameter circle. But we need to use the squares of these degrees, and we're going to focus on the 26.56505117771 degree triangle because it's a 1 to 2 triangle. It's a very common triangle. And whenever you type in sine 26.56505117771 and then square it, you'll see that you get 0.2. And then we need to go back to pi squared, which is 9.72, and take 9.72 and divide it by 0.2. And whenever you do that, 9.72 divided by 0.2 is 48.6. So whenever you're working with this degree of triangle, always remember the square root of 48.6. Then in your calculator, hit square root parenthesis 9.72 divided by 48.6 close parenthesis and see what you get. You see you get 0.44721,35955. For the 45 degree triangle, the square here, a sine 45, is 0.5. So we'll do pi squared 9.72 divided by 0.5. You'll get 19.44. So we'll do square root parenthesis 9.72 divided by 19.44. And whenever you do that formula, you'll see that you get 0.707,106,7812, which is sine 45, the height at 45 degrees, and the opposite side of our triangle. And you ask yourself, why does that work? Well, whenever the circle is 1 inch tall at 45 degrees, the circumference is equal to the square root of 19.44. Whenever the circle is 1 inch tall at 26.565 degrees, the circumference is equal to the square root of 48.6. So when you do a 45 degree triangle, take your circumference squared and divide it by the square root of 19.44.